Happy Veganuary, day 5. I made vegan steak for the first time yesterday, and it was delicious, but I overcooked it a bit, so I tinkered with the recipe, and here it is. Super delicious. Sorry, I'm running a bit behind on Veganuary. It's hard to keep up when there's school full-time. Have you ever had a goober tell you that the rainforests are being deforested for soy and blaming that on vegans? What he doesn't tell you, because he's a goober, is that 80% of that soy is used for animal feed for the global meat industry. Beef production is making climate change worse by releasing potent greenhouse gases like methane from cow burps and nitrous oxide from cow poo. 1 kilogram of beef produces 36 kilograms of CO2 and uses 30 times more CO2 than a kilogram of tofu. Eating less beef is the biggest way people can change their diet to help save the planet. And here it is. Together we can save the world. Let's try it. It looks really good. That's really good. It tastes really similar to beef as well. The recipe's in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye.